In the fast-paced world of business, managing operations across multiple platforms can feel like spinning plates in a circus. Too much manual work, too many errors, and not enough time for what truly matters: growth. Meet x2x, your ultimate solution for seamless business automation and integration. No more isolated data silos or redundant manual entries. With x2x, every process, from inventory management to customer interactions, is interconnected and efficient. x2x is easy to set up and even easier to use. Here's how it works. Connect existing systems with integration. Define parameters tailored to your business needs. Watch your operations transform with minimal effort. By automating your business with x2x, you free up time and resources to focus on what matters: innovation, customer satisfaction, and scaling your business to new heights. x2x, where integration meets automation and your business meets limitless potential. Let's automate your success.